Welcome to your Midday Sports. We begin with news on cricket. West Indies wicketkeeper batter Devon Thomas was today handed a 5-year ban on all cricket by the International Cricket Council. The 34-year-old accepted breaching 7 counts of the anti-corruption codes of Sri Lanka Cricket, the Emirates Cricket Board and the Caribbean Premier League. Thomas had been suspended for corruption in May 2023 when he was slapped with 7 charges, which included contriving to fix matches. The period of ineligibility is backdated to May 23, 2023, when he was provisionally suspended. Calling the 5-year ban a period of ineligibility, an ICC release stated that the last 18 months of the period of ineligibility would be suspended. Back in 2023, the ICC had stated the charges against Thomas were with regard to his conduct while playing in the LPL, Abu Dhabi T20 and the CPL. The most serious charge against him of attempting to fix a match was from the 2021 LPL, in which he played just 1 game for the Kandy Warriors. Thomas, who made his international debut in 2009, has played 1 Test, 21 ODIs and 12 T20 internationals, with his last international appearance coming in August 2022. The West Indies A have taken an unbeatable 3-1 lead in their 5-match 2020 international series against Nepal after a 28-run win in Kirtipur this morning. Player of the match, Andre Fletcher, was sensational for the Caribbean men, scoring 84 not out from 54 deliveries, as the Windies A, batting first, posted 209 for 3, their third 200-plus total in the series. Fletcher hit 9 fours and 4 sixes in his knock and got support from Johnson Charles, who made 58, and Jamaican Fabian Allen, who was unbeaten on 33 from 19 balls. In their run chase, Nepal were bowled out on the last ball of their innings for 181. Captain Rohit Paudel, who missed the 3rd game in the series on Wednesday, was once again the top scorer with 82, his 2nd half-century in the series to go along with a century in the opening game. Allen also returned to pick up 2 for 34, while Gudakesh Moti had 2 for 55. With the win, with the West Indies to name their World Cup squad on Friday, today's game was the final opportunity for players from the Nepal tour to stake their claim for one of the 2 remaining spots for the T20 showpiece. The series will end on Saturday with the final T20. Seaforth on 22 points regained the lead in the St. Thomas Surge Major League on Wednesday after clipping York United 2-1. Seaforth goals came courtesy of O.J. Campbell in first half added time and Orlando Grosset in the 78th minute. In another game, a brace from Robert Stevens in the 68th and 72nd minutes could not prevent previous leaders and end of round champions White Horses on 19 points from crashing to a 4-2 defeat against Bath. A brace from Thorndire in the 10th and 21st minutes, Kevon Roberts in the 55th and Kyle Remicki in time added on did the damage for Bath. And that's it for your Midday Sports Report. O'Shane, it's back to you.
Thanks, Spencer. And that's the Midday News. I'm O'Shane Masters. Join us at 7 for Primetime News. On behalf of the news, sports and production teams, have a good afternoon.